This is Samantha here at Massey Toyota.
Today we're going to be looking at the 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro.
This vehicle comes in Cavalry Blue with matte black fender flares as you see here, and also comes in white.
I'm going to take you for a look under the vehicle. TRD stands for Toyota Racing Development, and under this vehicle you can see all the working and moving parts. Also at the end of the vehicle you can see there's an extra tire in case you run into any trouble on the road. There is tow hooking in the front of the vehicle, LED fog lights, and LED daytime warning lights. And 16-inch black alloy tires. Now I'm going to take you for a look on the front passenger side. There's a small storage space down below, locking and unlocking buttons, automatic window system, and chrome handling. The car comes with special Tacoma TRD Pro floor mats that clip right in. There's black leather seating with red stitching, and textured leather allowing you to slide back and forth and not get stuck on hot days. Now we're going to look at the back passenger side. It has the same kind of door, same black leathering with red stitching and textured seating, but it comes with a little more. Once you flip the seat up, there's a storage compartment down below, and it is a large storage compartment. You just twist it to the left, it opens, you close it, twist it to the right, and it locks. Now the cool thing about these headrests is that you can easily flip them down to get more visibility when looking out the back. If you also pull this tab up, the back seats come forward, and there's another large storage compartment. There's also car seat latching ability. If you flip the seat up, flip the bottom seat down, you're ready to go. Now moving to the back exterior of the truck, there's a towing hitch package with 4 and 7-way outlets right above the bumper and to the left of where the license plate would be for easy accessibility. And also has a nice soft bed opening. This is a composite bed with tie downs in each corner. You also have a large storage compartment on the left side of the bed, as well as a cleat system so you can tie down anywhere along the rail. The right side of the bed has a small storage compartment and a rail cleat system. Your steering wheel comes with a lot of commands. You have the volume up and volume down button, as well as skipping options and voice commands. You can also answer and decline phone calls hands-free. Over here is the cruise control options, and you can even set your cruise control so that you are 1 car's length behind the car in front of you, as well as a lane departure alert system. Up above are your menu controls: left, right, up, down, and return. You can use these controls to navigate through your dashboard menu. If you go left and right, you can see your information, navigation, music, settings, messages, and more. If you go up and down, you can get more information under each category. To the left of the wheel, you have left and right mirror controls, as well as window lock, locking and unlocking the car itself, and window controls. You can also find a cargo bed light, a power inverter, and auto high beam options. To the right of the steering wheel, you have your engine start and stop button, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive options, hazard lights, heating and cooling system, and heated seat capabilities. Now down below you have your cigarette lighter on the right. The next button is a wireless charger, so if you press that, put your phone in the compartment down below, it will wirelessly charge your phone. You have an auxiliary cord input and a USB input. You have your rear sliding glass door option, parking sensors, and blind spot monitors. You have your wireless charger pad right there, 2 cup holders, and then your gear shifter, and a parking brake. Now you have your touchscreen navigation system. At the navigation system, you can see exactly where you're located and where you want to go. You have several different apps. You have an eco-friendly app, you have an audio app, so you can control the radio, and your volume button on the left. You have all these different apps. You have a phone, you can pair your phone, you can look at messages, go to settings, customize your home screen, see the traffic routes and where there's traffic at, and also check the weather. And the last cool thing is the maintenance app. It can tell you when to get an oil change and even rotate your tires.
Well, that's it here at Massey Toyota.
We hope you enjoyed our tutorial video of the 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro.